Insert into the lock body and install the tongue with the inclined surface facing the door frame. Fix the lock body with self-tapping screws. Front lock. The silicone pad should be installed on the back of the door lock. Pay attention. The up direction should be facing upwards. Screw head. Remove the sleeve from the screw package and insert it into the screw hole. Upside up, the power supply is inserted into the middle of the lock body. After locking, use a screwdriver to unscrew the fixing screws. Remove the battery cover. Install the silicone pad with the up arrow facing the key as the top. The power cord is inserted into the round hole. The power head is placed here. Use the matching iron hook to pull out the power head. The rear lock button is facing upwards. Install it onto the square steel. Fix using long screws. Connect the power cord. Make sure the metal part is facing upwards. Excess wires are inserted into the wire trough. Insert 4 AAA batteries. Reattach the handle cover and secure it with screws. Here, screws are needed. Just tighten them slightly. Do not apply excessive force. Thank you for watching.